Hi, I hope you don't mind me calling, but I need to get a better understanding of the future of work in 2020 and where B2B companies like myself are heading.
Sure, no problem. I'd be happy to help walk you through that.
Great, I have a few questions. Is remote selling here to stay?
100% yes. Businesses were not sure at first that they would be able to trust their employees to remain productive during their time working from home, but now it's been proven and we've seen that they can be trusted and that, of course, there are unseen benefits for both the employee and the company. From the employee side of things, you can see that there's a better work-life balance and time has been reduced and eliminated for commuting. And for the company side of things, you can see that overhead costs of running an office, the electricity, the parking, the rent, the meals have now been reduced or eliminated entirely.
Dell recently shared a statistic that 86% of business leaders plan to use emerging technologies to increase productivity. When do you think that will take effect?
According to Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, it already has. He recently said that the business transformation process was achieved in 2 months, a process that would normally take 2 years. I think the real question to consider is how do you prioritize productivity tools? And I recommend starting with those that have a direct impact on revenue attainment and acceleration.
Can you give me an example of what that would be for a B2B sales team?
Yes, I can. In fact, the market has already signaled the intent. In recent months, you will have seen various newsworthy announcements of mergers and acquisitions from software companies that want to achieve horizontal connectivity and create a workflow that is truly connected and efficient for each sales rep. For example, not logging in and out of different tools all the time.
Forgive me for asking, but what exactly is horizontal connectivity and how do you know good from bad?
That is a good question. Essentially, horizontal connectivity is the connection of all the deal stages from opportunity to close as one workflow in one location. Not only is the sales administration faster, but so is the response time to buyers. The key is to select a platform that is purpose-built.
I understand that you all at DealHub are leaders in this area. Can you share with me any examples of differences you've made for sales teams?
Sure. We've compared customers who are closing deals by sending out price quotes in PDF format versus those who are using embedded quotes in our deal room. And what we found is that PDF format on average takes approximately 447 minutes in the playbook compared to customers using quotes in our deal room takes them an average of 75 minutes. So what I'm saying here is that is 83% faster.
Wow, that would save us a lot of time. So, what's in the deal room that makes it so much more efficient?
Essentially everything the buyer needs to sign a deal. Sales collateral, price quotes, margin discounts, contract redlining, SOW, billing forms, and e-signature, etc., and even subscription management for the next steps beyond closing.
Thanks. This conversation has been really helpful, and you've answered all my questions. So, what are some next steps for me to learn more about DealHub?
You're welcome. Well, you can visit dealhub.io and learn more. And if you have any additional questions, you can reach out to me there.